Welcome to the installation video for our PSB717. Here we have the arm with the original bushing having been removed. Make sure to clean out the inner housing thoroughly before installing the new PSB bushings. Lubricate the inner part of the housing before installing the bushes to ease the installation. You can pop in the two-piece PSB bushings by hand using a rubber mallet. Once the bushings have been installed, lubricate the inner part thoroughly before then installing the metal sleeve. And there you have our installed PSB717. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.